Okay guys. Good noon, good noon. Guys, akong incubator guys, so nagpusa na gid siya guys. Sakto gid kay ang days. 6 days siya. 6 days. 19 days pa 20. Magpusa din siya. Tanan gid siya guys ang 6 ka itlog guys nga akong gawlatan nga mapusa nara guys. Ngit-ngit pa lang siya guys, pero klaro na kayo na guys. Oh. Napagikon guys, oh, kato last muna siya guys. Oh, muna siya ang last nga mapusa. Oh.
It's out already?
6 pesos guys, pesos oh.
Who's that?
What is that?
Oh, naay. Oh, that is my egg.
No, that's an egg.
That is my egg.
That's an egg.
Oh,
It's
look
gonna
at that.
hatch.
Oh. Oh.
Huh?
It's a surprise.
This is a surprise.
Guys. Get a surprise.
Okay.
This is a surprise.
Thank you guys.
What is
Thank
that?
you.
It's a
80 to 85% hatchery. Karon perfect siya guys sa 6 pero napay upat pabuton ako guys oh. Okay. Get na egg. Okay. Salamat kayo mga guys. Salamat. Panara guys oh.
Thank you.
Oh, sarap tor sweater yung legidats. Cross sa 5K sweater. Pero naay sa duma ni guys.
Bimili namin, wala.
Pero bahala na si Batman.
Play mo no. Hmm? Ano yan?
Bali, ang tanan na gid nga na hats guys, 13 na gid kabok. Okay. Okay, thank you.